Today, I'll show you how to make an effective DIY Tranexamic Acid Serum at home, a powerful ingredient loved in dermatology for brightening and evening skin tone. In a clean bowl, combine rose water and niacinamide powder. Mix until the powder dissolves completely. Add tranexamic acid powder and stir gently. Next, add aloe vera gel and glycerin to hydrate and soothe the skin. Mix everything until smooth. Finally, add a few drops of preservative for longer shelf life. Pour into a sterilized dropper bottle and store in a cool place. Tranexamic acid is a dermatologist-approved ingredient known for reducing melanin production and blocking skin discoloration. When used regularly, it helps fade dark spots, melasma, and acne scars, making your skin tone look visibly brighter and more even. Combined with niacinamide, it also helps strengthen the skin barrier, reduce inflammation, and control excess oil, perfect for those dealing with both pigmentation and sensitivity. Use the serum at night on clean, dry skin. Apply 2 to 3 drops to the face and gently pat until absorbed. Follow with your favorite moisturizer. Always wear sunscreen during the day, as your skin will become more sensitive to sunlight. Patch test before first use. Avoid combining this serum with acids like AHAs or BHAs in the same routine. If irritation occurs, discontinue use. Consistency is key. Use 3 to 4 times a week and let your skin glow naturally. Say goodbye to pigmentation and hello to confidence.